guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video on my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure to keep on watching, and before you keep on watching, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, okay? And if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're new, welcome. Hi, how are you doing? But anyways, let's just get into this video because this look is bomb, okay? I am loving this whole entire look. It's very simple, but the lips just makes it look like you spent like so much time doing this, but not really. But yeah, anyway, let's watch. Okay,
we're gonna go straight into the face. I'm moisturizing my face. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows off camera, so let's get ready for our foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my MAC as usual, and it's in the shade NW55. So we're just gonna take that and pump some on our face, and then as usual we're gonna get our setting spray and we're gonna spray some so that it can be easy to blend. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just start blending in our foundation. Just gonna blend it all over our face, and always blend your foundation down to your neck because you don't want to look like you're two different shades. Okay, so that's what we're doing now. We're gonna conceal, and I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty, and that's the shade. Okay, so first I was using a brush to try and put it on, but that wasn't working, so I just used the actual product and just put it straight onto my face. So I'm just highlighting all the places that I usually highlight, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend it out. I did get a little bit too excited and I kind of went way overboard with this concealing. I should have just put a little bit, but it still turned out okay anyway. But it was a little bit hard to blend because it's so thick, and I put a little bit too much. So next time we'll use a little bit smaller because a little bit goes a long way. I went way too crazy with it. So anyways, we're just still blending. And always blend your eyelids if you're not going to do any eyeshadow, because you don't want them looking too dark. So that's what I just did. I was blending my eyelids, and we're just still blending out the concealer because this took a while because it was a little bit hard to blend because I went crazy with it, but okay. So getting another brush and blending it. This brush actually was blending it more quicker than the other one because it was small and it wasn't really moving. So yeah. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot. Okay, so we're going in with our foundation brush, and we're gonna use that to blend out any harsh lines. Open up. Okay, so now we're grabbing our setting powder, and we're going to use that to set all the places that we concealed. Okay, so now we're grabbing our MAC powder, and we're just going to set the rest of the face with it. We're now going to grab this palette, and I'm going to use the dark brown to contour. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Now we're grabbing our Juvia's Place palette, and we're going to use this burgundy color as blush. I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Okay, so now we're just going to spray our face, and then we're going to grab our lipstick, and this is in the shade Palm, and we're just going to start off by outlining our lips first using the lipstick, and then we're going to go in and fill it in, and then we're just going to keep layering it until I think, you know, it's enough. Okay, so now we're going to grab our highlighter. I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury in the Bronze Glow, and I'm going to be using the lightest shade today. So as you can see, I've already added some into my inner corner, and then we're just going to highlight our cheeks and, you know, do the rest of the face, our nose, forehead. We just want to shine. We just want to glow everywhere today. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead now and highlight our brow bone.
Okay guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment in the comment sections, and subscribe to my channel. Why are you still not subscribed? If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, come on, can you please hit the subscribe button? Okay, all right, so anyways, bye, see you guys in my next video.